This is the 10 to 18 RF in the HDR PQ mode and highlight on priority in the T2. So this is the HDR PQ mode. How good is the video quality and how good is the stabilization? This is the OIS only. The OIS only. No digital stabilization. HDR PQ mode. And we turn off the highlight on priority. How good is the video quality and how good is the stabilization? This is the OIS only. The OIS only. No digital stabilization. HDR PQ mode. And we turn off the highlight on priority. Now I'm at the OIS only. OIS only. OIS only. Let me turn on the digital stabilization. OIS only, still OIS only. EIS level 1 is like 1.1 cross, so it becomes 11 millimeter. I have turned on the auto light optimizer of HDR PQ. Still HDR PQ mode. Still is the HDR PQ mode. EIS HDR PQ with the auto light optimizer off, highlight on priority mode off. HDR PQ, how good it is. So let's go inside. Hello. The battery charger and have the 50 millimeter.
Yeah.
How much?
Charger.
The charger and then how much is the 50 millimeter?
That one?
This one, yeah.
270. 15内存卡放这里。18.
Okay, give me one more battery.
One more?
Thank you.